A very good morning, students. Today we are going to start with your new chapter, that is length. So first of all, beta, what is length? Length is a term which is used to identify or find the size of an object. For example, if we want to find the length of this table, so we will use the term called length, that we want to find the length of this table. Now there are some non-standard methods. Why they are known as non-standard? Because they vary from person to person. For example, the very first one is a hand span. So hand span is a distance between the tip of the thumb and the little finger. So the hand span of a child will be having less length as compared to that of an adult. So this is considered as non-standard because it varies from person to person. Next is a cubit. Cubit is the length of your forearm, that is the distance starting from this particular point to here. Then is a digit. Digit is a finger, means the distance starting from here till here. Then a face, this is your normal walking step. So the distance between 2 feet is known as a face when you are walking normally. Then a foot span, this is the length of your foot. It also varies from person to person. So these are known as non-standard means of measurement of length. So now you have to do your exercise 8.1 in your book only. So you have to fill the correct answer. The pencil is as long as dash clips. So here you can see how many clips are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer comes out to be 7. The ruler is as long as dash clips. So you have to find the number of clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So answer comes out to be 13. The crayon is as long as dash clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many clips are there in crayon? There are 4. The paintbrush is as long as dash clips. So here you can find the number of clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many clips are there in paintbrush? They are 11. The pen is as long as dash clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many clips are there in pen? There are 9. Which one among the above is the longest? So here you can see which one is the longest. This is the ruler because it contains maximum number of clips. So the longest one is ruler. Next is your which one among the above is shortest. So here you can see the minimum number of clips are in crayon. So the crayon is the smallest one. Got it, beta? After this we are having the standard units of length. So the very first one is centimeter. It is the unit of measurement of length. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. These are the relations. Millimeter is the smallest unit. So millimeter is the smallest unit. Then after that comes the centimeter, then comes your meter, and then comes your kilometer. So the next standard unit is meter. It is also a standard unit of measuring length because their measurement remains same at every place, and whenever any person is measuring, the length will remain same. So the first relation is 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter, and second one is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So convert into centimeter. If we want to convert into centimeter from meter, we have to multiply. To convert meter into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. So in all the cases, you will be multiplying with 100 whenever you want to convert from meter to centimeter. So you know meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. So whenever you are converting from bigger to smaller, you have to multiply with 100, and whenever you are converting from smaller to bigger, then you have to divide by 100. So next is convert into meters. So here it is centimeter. Centimeter is the smallest one, and then we have to convert into meter, which is your bigger unit. So we have to divide by 100. Got it? Next is a trick. You can see that if we are dividing any number, that is if we want to convert centimeter into meter, that is smaller to bigger, then any number which is not a multiple of 100, then what we can do, we can ignore the last two units, and the first units will be meter and the last two units will be centimeter. So we can simply make the last two units or the digits as centimeter and the remaining as meter. For example, we are having 1342. So last two digits we will make centimeter and the first two units we will be making meter. Is it clear, beta? Next is your exercise 8.2. First question you can do in your book and remaining you have to do in your notebook. 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? 10. 1 meter equals to how many centimeters? 100. Dash is the instrument used to measure the length of a diary. So diary is a smaller thing, so this you can use either ruler or meter ruler. Dash is the instrument used to measure length of a room. This will be your measuring tape. Got it, beta? With the help of measuring tape, you can measure the length of a room. Now convert the following into centimeter. So here you can see I have done some parts for you. So we are moving from bigger to the smaller unit. So we have to multiply with 100. So 5 meter into 100 centimeter is your 500 centimeter. Then 5 meter and 16 centimeter. So here we can divide this in two parts. 5 meter plus 16 centimeter. So we will convert 5 meter into centimeter. This comes out to be your 500 centimeter. Then plus 16. This comes out to be 516 centimeter. Next is 80 meter and 80 centimeter. Similarly, we have divided as we have done in part C. 80 meter plus 80 centimeter. Now we need to convert 80 meter into centimeter. We got 8000 centimeter. Plus this 80, we got 8080 centimeter. Next is 35 meter 40 centimeter. 35 meter plus 40 centimeter. 35 meter equals to 3500 centimeter plus 40, 3540. We got the answer. Next is convert into meter and centimeter. So now here we are going from smaller to bigger. So we will divide by 100. First is 300 centimeter. So we can divide it by 100 and the answer will be 3 meter. But they have asked us to write in meter and centimeter. So no centimeter is there. That's why I have written 00 centimeter. Next is 765 centimeter. So now only we did a trick that we can write last two digits as centimeter and remaining as meter. So after dividing we got 7 meter 65 centimeter. Similarly 430 centimeter, 4 meter 30 centimeter, 19 meter 23 centimeter. So this thing you have to remember, that when you are converting from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100, and when you are converting from centimeter to meter, you have to divide by 100, and you have to do the remaining parts yourself. Question number 2 and 3 you have to do in your notebook. Thank you. Have a good day.